Those who completed exercise 3C, wherever no solution comes, some time is saved there. You don't have to find a solution, right? Okay, you will get rank of A is not equal to rank of AD, no solution, leave it there. But if it is infinite solutions, we have to write a solution like this. If it is unique solution, we have to find first Z, next Y, next X. Exercise 3G is very, very important, especially considering the mains exam and advanced exam. Okay. Exercise 3H is very important for IP because definitely one 7 marks question they will come from that exercise. They will ask about either Gauss-Jordan method or matrix inversion method. Dheeraj, you go through solved examples Gauss-Jordan method before exercise 3H, you will understand better. Okay. Yes, please. Yes. No. Whenever delta not equal to 0, it is always unique solution only. If it is for unique solution, I don't have to do. When delta is 0, yes, whenever delta not equal to 0, unique solution. Yes. Infinite. Yes. Whenever delta is 0 only, there is a confusion whether it is no solution or infinite solutions. For that, you have to do this way of doing consistent, inconsistent, that method. Okay. Okay, everybody is done with this question? Okay. Okay. Next question. Little down. Okay. X minus 2y plus kz equal to 1. 2x plus y plus z equal to 2. 3x minus y minus kz equal to 3. What I want is, for what values of k it will have unique solution, for what values of k it will have no solution, for what value of k it will have infinite solutions. That is what I want. What is the procedure to do? First find delta, see when it is non-zero, that is unique solution. Then for what values of k delta is 0, that each k you have to substitute it and then analyze based on this whether it is unique or no. I am not going to write solution for this, I am going to wait for people to answer. Does anybody know anybody working in Geo Fiber company in Vizag in a good position? I want Vizag. Hemant, you should put your camera such a way that you are visible. I told you earlier. Little more. Okay. Your fan is visible mostly. Even in other classes also, teachers should be able to see you clearly. You cannot turn further. I can see you, but little more. It's a little bit okay. Your face should be in the middle of your video, if possible. It a little down. Okay. Yes. You are getting only one value of k or two values of k? Only one k. Huh? Yes, sir. Okay. No, because k is in the same place. Okay. So when I find the delta 1 minus 2k, 2, 1, 1, 3 minus 1 minus k. What is the delta coming actually? Minus 2 common, k minus 3. Yeah? Okay. Yeah. K not equal to 3 implies delta not equal to 0 implies unique solution. Okay. Now the case of k equal to 3, we have to do the augmented operations. 1 minus 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 1 minus k, 3. Yeah. Yes, please. Oh, your delta is not using first column. You are saying, okay, 1 into minus k plus 1, right? Minus 2 into 2k plus k. 3 into minus 2 minus k. Okay, let's see that. What are you getting? Okay, then I should change this then. Okay, nobody told me. Okay. So you will get 1 0 here, right? Okay. Anyway, I'll just, that's what they are also saying. Okay. So if it finally minus 10 common, what you are getting? Minus 10 common into k minus of. Minus 10k minus. So if I take minus 10 common, it is k plus half. Is it right? K plus half only? Okay. Okay then. Then I should change this. When k is not equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Then I should not take. I should change it. Okay. So k is equal to minus of. Yes, please. Okay, should not have, I did not understand what I was saying. I just found delta. Whenever delta is 0, unique, delta not equal to 0, unique solution, right? You okay, that is just to equate to 0 and find k value. It is not necessary to write like this, not important, okay? You want to write minus 10k plus 5, minus 5 common, you want to write 2k plus 1, anything is okay. Yes, please. Yeah, well, let me check that, okay? No, in AD there are 4 3 by 3 matrices. Are you getting all 3 by 3 that are 0? That is not, from that you cannot say rank 2. You have to look for other 3 by 3 determinants also. Okay, I don't like fractions so much, but I can talk about like secondary. I want to convert these two into zeros, next this into 0. You can multiply 2 here if you want. Yes, you are right. Okay, I am writing, erasing up to delta part. I am sure you already completed that. First column and last column. Okay, but you cannot do any column operations here. Even though it is good that you observed, there is not much use for us. Okay. So one use is there, you can understand many deltas are 0 unless you find this delta. So I think we can say it is infinite solution because at least no, not infinite or no way to take care of it carefully. Then it is good that you observed, but we cannot do any column operations. We are only allowed to do row operations. Is it okay? Okay, 2 minus 4 minus 1, 2. 4, 2, 2, 4. No, this I don't have to multiply, right? Sorry. 2, 1, 1. Okay. 6 minus 2, 1. 2, 1, 1, 2. Yeah, thanks. Okay. Anyway, you can continue, complete on your own. I may have to stop in a minute. Okay, few more concepts are there in maths and determinants, not there in IP, but I still have to teach for competitive exams. Tomorrow I will teach. Okay. So everybody try to complete exercise. Okay. So everybody try to complete exercise 3Z. All right. Yeah, I'll stop here. Okay. Thank you.